Hey, Ozzy's boy here. This is why I don't chew gum. I chew it like a maniac. Anyway, today, got a good video for you, relaxing. I think you'll like it. I'm going to tear up a wooden walkway. Here it is. It's, you can see it's kind of wanky, and it's flips up when you walk on it. It's like one of them things at the fair, the fun house where the sidewalk, it's like that. And so my mother-in-law lives here, and I'm going out of town and it's unsafe. So keep the lawyers away. I'm gonna tear it up and just be ground for a while. Then we're gonna put some paver stones or something, pour another sidewalk. But anyway, I am good at destruction. My wife says all the time that I should have made a career out of destruction because I'm good at tearing stuff up. Not necessarily on purpose. This will be on purpose. I've actually bought things, and you know the hard plastic molded that they put it in? I've actually destroyed things brand new that I bought at the store just trying to get it out of the package. Leave me a comment if you've ever done that. And I've cut myself real bad trying to get that hard plastic off of something I bought. I'm gonna set the camera up on a time lapse and get after this, and let's see how it goes. Just sit back, relax, have some hot tea or a beer or whatever. Today is Saturday. You can have an alcoholic beverage and watch my videos. I have no problem with that. Okay, here we go. Started, safety first. I'm gonna wear some gloves. I in fact got my old glasses, so if they get scratched up, and eye protection. You want to use good equipment, old wore out equipment, such as this wheelbarrow with a flat tire. Don't use that. That's what I'll be using today. Anyway, here we go. Okay, that ain't good. Look at the water squirting out. I already broke that.
Okay, there they go. There they go. There they go. Stop, 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 stop.
Okay, no need for time lapse. I thought that was going to take longer than I thought, but the stringers are so rotten that I just pulled it up by hand. The real problem is going to be getting all these nails out that are rusted and stripped so the garbage man can take them. Don't want to leave it out there with nails sticking out of it. That's too dangerous. So that may be the real struggle. So here's how we're doing that. And my music selection today is Dwayne Allman. Check it out. Okay, all done. The wooden sidewalk hazard is gone. This is where the concrete starts. So we'll have to figure something else out. But it's not dangerous anymore. Woohoo!
I don't know nothing to say.